This thing hasn't been started in months. Just put new batteries in it. I love Illinois' roads. I was driving on the highway, coming home, and all of a sudden, I hit a bump and I lost all my steering. Well, most of my steering. You have to turn the wheel like halfway to even feel anything. And I look over, the bracket broke completely off the frame. So this bar goes from the bottom of the axle to up to the frame, and yeah, that snapped. So thank you, Illinois roads. I will be sending the governor a message so he can, I don't even know how this brakes. Oof, big oof, big oof. So my plan is, I'm not that far away from home, so I'm going to get some ratchet straps, try to strap this up here so then at least I can drive it home. And then we're gonna have to rip it all off, re-weld it, so then, you know, I have my truck back. This is garbage. I literally can't drive. I barely made it here. It was rolling and shaking and I thought I was gonna die. I don't know how I broke it. I don't jump the truck, I don't three-wheel the truck, I don't even take the truck off-road. It's literally a pavement princess. I don't understand how it broke. So I ratchet strapped it up, so now it's not at least hanging down, and now I'm gonna attempt to drive it the 5 miles home. So if you guys are from or have been to Illinois, you know that the roads are absolutely garbage everywhere you go. And I literally hit a big bump on the highway and my whole wheel turned upside down. And then I tried to turn it back and forth and I was still going straight. I inched off the highway and literally turned the wheel all the way and it barely turned through the intersection. I literally babied this thing. I don't understand how it broke. It makes no sense. So I made it home. Okay, it didn't seem to move, so that's good. All right, we didn't die. Oh, it's moving a lot. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that is not good. Woo! Hey, the 7.3 ain't broken, but the 6.7 is? That makes no sense.
We're gonna make it ignorantly, stupidly, just not match.
So Brandon, what year is the truck gonna be done?
2025.
Trying to make it not lean.
It's still the same height all day.
No, it's taller.
What is it? Drive a Lambo like a what?
What?
TikTok's on.
Drive a Lambo like a Chevy?
Yeah, like a Chevy, but it's a Dodge.
Oh, nice. You got the door jamb handle. What? SEMA 2020.
Or like Lansing Garbage Dump 2020.
Pavement princess.
Pavement princess?
Pavement princess.
I think my body.
To a pavement princess.
The pavement princess.
I can't think of anything that they say that's
mud
like
in my mouth.
relevant. I don't know.
We need to go in the river. I think to clean off, we need to go in the river.
Yeah, it's a Honda. Decoration.
We are on our way, well, about to be on our way, to go pick up something new. This truck is still broken. Logan's gonna be welding it up. Brandon, I think, is gonna come pick it up today. And while they're picking it up, I kind of messed up. I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace and I found something that I've wanted for a while. So, kind of gonna go pick it up, which is exciting, but kind of an impulse decision. So, somebody needs to take my Facebook Marketplace away.